So what we're doing today is installing this whole home surge protector on this main electric panel. First thing we're going to do is take off this dead front cover to expose the breaker bus bar. Alright, so what we do here is look at all the spacing, make sure everything's appropriate size. There's no burning, no arcing, nothing that we could visibly see while we're in here. Panel's nice and clean. So then what we're going to do is come in here with the surge protector, fish the wires through this chase here, connect it to a breaker, and then we'll go from there. So we already knocked out the 1/2 inch knockout here. We're going to fish these wires through. Put on our lock ring. Tighten it down. Next, we're going to fish the wires up here through this chase and be very wary not to hit anything. So we installed the appropriate breaker here. So what we're going to do next is attach the ground and the neutral to the neutral bus bar and then connect our lines here to the breaker. So we got all our wires landed here. So next thing we're going to do is energize the breaker and check for the green light. Last step is to replace the dead front and the cover, and we're good to go.